Video to show you how to connect a PoE extender to an injector. This extender happens to have two PoE ports on it right there, and it takes an injection power there. You need to use an 802.3 AFAT compliant injector. So this is an 802.3 AFAT compliant injector because it says right there 802.3 AFAT standard, AF standard. So that's PoE. I'm using a PoE injector, and I am injecting a current into here, and then it's going to get split up between these two. For this purpose, for current requirements, we're only using one out. So once you plug in the injector into here, you should see some sort of lights. It doesn't matter which one you see. The amber usually comes on when you have data connectivity. This is completely off where my thumb is right now because I don't have my camera connected. On the other side of this injector, it has a DC terminal. It's for injecting extra power if you needed to, or you don't need to use that at all, so you can ignore that. Now I'm going to take my yellow cable and connect it into my camera. Alright, so I just connected it to my camera now, it's right here. Now for this all to work, so the power is going to the camera from here. See, now I got lights there because it's connectivity. And then this sends power, so this is power and data going to the camera. Power and data coming from the injector. Now you gotta make sure your injector is also working and has lights on it for data. This is the data basically coming from your switch. So you've got to make sure that's connected to a good cable and it's all working. So now I am actually on the same network. I have a DVR that's connected, and I'm going to now bring up my camera onto my DVR. So now here I'm going to add my camera to my DVR. All of our cameras, when you open them out of the box, they're 108. So these are other things that we have on the network. I found my 108, which is right here. I'm going to click on that. See, it has a red X next to it. That means it's not initialized. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to hit initialize. What this does is it actually takes the username and password that's set on the DVR and security questions and propagates them to the camera. It also lets you change the IP address. I'm going to change it to 109. That's how we configure all of our cameras before we send them out. And this sets a static IP address on the network. Hit next. And if it is successful, it'll say finished, modify IP succeeded, done. Now, what I can do is click on this and hit add. Well, if it says that, hit device search again. Here, add video right here. You can see me, my waving hand. Thanks for watching.